Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have my hair all braided up. I braided the roots and just twisted down the bottom part of it all the way to the ends, and I did the back section kind of big because I didn't want a lot of twisting. I didn't want it to be too heavy. And right here is the hair that I used. It is called the Nu Faux Locs 24-inch crochet braid hair, and it came with 6 packs. The hair was very full. I only ended up using about 2.5 packs, so you get a lot for your money. And y'all, the hair was so soft and it looks like real dreads already. It was very soft and realistic looking. I love that about the hair. And now I'm just going to crochet the hair into the braid, and I'm only pulling through one side of it to make a knot. And all the products will be in the description box below. Once you have crocheted the lock into the braid, you're going to just twist the dread around your hair. You can open the dread up a little bit to wrap it around, but sometimes it can be difficult. I tried this at first, but then I just end up twisting the hair around some of them because it would just take too long. But you still get the same result because you're going to end up wrapping the hair with the Marley hair at the end. And I would say this is the most difficult part about this process. It was very easy, but this was the most difficult part, trying to twist the dread around your hair, because sometimes it's like the lock is kind of stuck together, so it's like very difficult to do that. So don't put too much into that. Just twist your hair around the whole twist or dread. Once you get to the end, you want to make sure that you tuck the ends of your hair, like not a whole lot is sticking out, because on this I did have a piece sticking out, but I just wrapped it around the rest of the twist. And there I go again, trying to open up the twist to wrap it around my hair. And as you can see, it's kind of a struggle, but we gonna get through it. And I would say this was the longest part. I did end up trying to twist it around my hair, but that's why it took so long. I think it took about maybe 3 to 4 hours. If I didn't do that, then I believe that it would have went by a whole lot quicker, because the rest of it is very easy and simple. And here are my first two. I'm trying to kind of show you guys the length. It's 24 inches, so it comes a little bit above my hip. I'm 5'2", so it's pretty long. And I like this hair because it's already long and you don't have to extend it like some of the other locks. You will have to, you know, connect them to get the length. But I wanted it long but not too long. So this was a great in between, the 24 inches. Now here comes the fun part for me. I'm using the Bobby Boss Marley hair. Y'all know what I'm talking about, like the kinky twist hair. And I just separate it and get it real fluffy. And I'm going to wrap it around the top part of the dread until I get about, a little bit past my hair. So I'm going to take it and hold it, and I'm just going to wrap it around like 3 times towards the base, and then I'm just going to wrap it going downward. And the cool thing about this hairstyle is that it does not have to be perfect. It's supposed to look natural, real. Everything doesn't have to be uniform. And once you get down to the end, past your hair, you just take a little piece of the hair and you're going to tie a knot. It does not have to be perfect, just as long as you tie a knot. And then the leftover that's from the knot, you just wrap it around the hair. Rub your fingers or your hands together, and it kind of all meshes together. And right here, you're going to take the end of the hair, the Marley hair, and put it against the lock. And you're going to take the other end and wrap it around 3 times at the base and go down. And this is how the hair is looking once the hair is wrapped with the Bobby Boss hair. And you're going to repeat those same steps. So this is the hair once I have finished wrapping all of it. I love this style. It's very lightweight, very easy, and cute. And at this time, you can go back and look through your hair, make sure that, you know, you get those little flyaways. Like at the top, I have a piece sticking up, so I just go ahead and cut that off. And this is after I styled it, laid my baby hairs. You know, you got to lay the baby hairs.